Ground Zero Series, Chapter 3, Time. Chronometer, chronometer. Seconds, seconds. Minutes, minutes. Hours, hours. 60 seconds equals to 1 minute. 60 seconds equals to 1 minute. 60 minutes equals to 1 hour. 60 minutes equals to 1 hour. 24 hours equals to 1 day. 24 hours equals to 1 day. 7 days equals to 1 week. 7 days equals to 1 week. 2 weeks equals to 1 fortnight. 2 weeks equals to 1 fortnight, or 14 days. 30 days equals to 1 month. 30 days equals to 1 month. 12 months equals to 1 year. 12 months equals to 1 year. 10 years equals to 1 decade. 10 years equals to 1 decade. 100 years equals to 1 century. 100 years equals to 1 century. Say the words. Second, second. Seconds. Minute, minute. Minutes. Hour, hour. Hours. Day, day. Days. Week, week. Weeks. Fortnight, fortnight. Month, month. Months. Year, year. Years. Decade, decade. Century, century. Thanks for watching and practice.